When you're doing a lateral raise, you want weights that are a little bit lighter. You're going to have your arms at your side, your palms are facing your legs. You're going to lift up to the side and down. You're only lifting to shoulder height and back down. Just like that. For a front raise, you bring them up to shoulder height in front of you. So you bring them up and back down. It's a slow and controlled motion. So you're not swinging them up and then letting them drop. You are doing the work here. With shoulder presses, you're going to have the weights in your hands and you're up at 90 degrees. You press it up and come back down. Up and down. Don't let gravity do the work. You need to be pushing them up, using that core to stabilize yourself, and coming back down. Just like that. This next move is one of my favorite shoulder moves, and I actually learned it from Julie at Peanut Butter Fingers. You're going to bring your arm across the body, so your right hand is towards your left hip. You're going to bring it up, so row it up, flip it, shoulder press, back down, and across the body. Just like this. You do it one arm at a time. And then you can switch hands. So left, up, press, down, and across.